Okay, guys, instead to get back to this ball, do you remember you were saying about you seeing the ball going across the screen? Basically, just that something because we're not clearing the rect, we're just leaving it there. Because don't forget, this is not that ball moving, but loads of little time frames moving so you can see them. So it gives you the opinion or the vision that you think it's moving, but it's not. Anyway, here's the code, okay? We have to use math.random here against the inner width because we want it to be random. These are velocities, okay, simple enough for the speeds. We have our radius, and there's my function animate, okay. We press animation, animate. We're going to call it down here, okay. We got clear rect, okay. We got the begin pad, we got a circle, okay. We got a color, and we got stroke. So what we're saying here is with these velocities, I don't want the ball to go off the screen. Right? I wanted to bounce here and come back, but I want to bounce on the edge, not on the center. So I have to allow for my radius in here, which is 50. Okay, so that means if I go to x plus the radius squared in width, but when the radius, when it hits just here at 50, the radius, it is going to go back because we're saying here our x minus radius less than 0, right? Dx minus dx. So we're saying is the velocity is positive, it hits there based on this condition. The velocity is then negative, goes back and forth, back and forth. Exact same thing here for the height. So let's just have a look at it. You can write this code yourself, it's not that hard. Now let's run this and see what we get, okay? I should have maybe had this running beforehand, but I didn't. We'll see what we get now. See, there's all my talking and all my for the coding work. Takes a while to load this up, and here we go. Here, here's the ball. Okay, so let's refresh it again. Well, first of all, we'll just let it hit. Okay, it's very slow. I should increase the speed enough. Let's just see. Let's see what you hit. Bang, and there, right? Refresh it. Something that we haven't set on random. And here she goes again. Alright, here she goes. Where is she? I don't know, but however. Here she comes, yep, and goes back up again. Refresh that again. Moves over here, hits the edge, is back out. Okay, simple dimples. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you in the next one, okay? Take care. Bye bye.